No time to exercise and want to slim down? How to do? Many people struggle with finding enough time to fit in physical activity each week to help them lose weight. Luckily, some studies show that dieting actually plays a more important and effective role when it comes to weight loss. Cutting out excess calories has a more significant effect on weight loss compared to physical activity. So even if you do not have enough time to exercise each week, making changes to your diet and lifestyle can still support weight loss. 1. Changing your diet. Count calories. Cutting calories and changing your diet is the best method for weight loss. Eat a balanced diet. In addition to monitoring calories, it's also important to focus on a well-balanced diet when you're trying to lose weight. Eat appropriate portion sizes. A calorie-controlled, balanced diet will definitely be key to your weight loss success. Measuring portions will help make this easier. Limit snacking. You need to be very careful when you snack and you're trying to lose weight. Too much snacking or grazing throughout the day can sabotage your weight loss. Drink only calorie-free liquids. Drinking a lot of liquid calories throughout the day is another way to easily sabotage your weight loss and even gain weight. 2. Moving more throughout the day. Count your steps. Physical activity has been shown to be very supportive of weight loss, not to mention the many other health benefits that come with being active. Even if you can't spend an hour at the gym, walking more throughout the day, even a small amount, can have a positive effect on your weight loss. Stand more than you sit. Another way to be more active and help your body burn calories is by trying to stand more often than you sit. Take a 10-minute break. Although you may not have a lot of time for planned physical activity each day or week, even taking a few minutes every day to be active can help. 3. Managing your lifestyle and weight loss. Keep stress at a minimum. If you can't exercise, and you're trying to lose weight, try to manage your stress levels. When you're stressed out, you may have a more difficult losing weight. Sleep enough. In addition to managing stress, also make sure you get enough sleep each night. Those who do not sleep enough are typically at a higher body weight than those who do. Weigh yourself regularly. Whenever you're trying to lose weight and diet, it's helpful to weigh yourself regularly. Have accountability. Staying on track can be difficult, however, having some accountability may motivate you to stick to your plan.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,